What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is after the video. It's insane of the 100 subscriber. Let's just say that my tongue is numb. Me too. So it was crazy. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I can't believe I'm at 105 right now, but like, it's crazy. And Riker P helped with this and stuff. So now we're gonna show you the 100 subscriber right here, guys. Go check out his channel. I'm gonna leave it here for a couple seconds. It's at Macron Goldberry Bros Hunt. He's on my football team, and he's told me, he said he was gonna subscribe. So thanks so much. This is the shout out. So go watch his videos and stuff. And yeah, thanks for 100 subscribers. And let's get right into the video. No, I knew it. That's some good stuff. Yeah, I knew it.
Sugar, guys.
Wait, no, not that big. I'm gonna get what are you doing? I hate hot stuff.
Okay, go.
You licked a little. Dude, it's literally like,
do it all at once, and it'll be so much easier.
That actually, all at once, and swallow it, and then you can wash your mouth out as much time as you want.
I'll get you some milk.
All at once.
Come on.
Ben, I swallow them.
No, you have to do it. You have to do it.
Look at that.
It's so hot.
Oh, it stinks, bro.
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna cry. I can't breathe. Someone give me a cup of water. Get that little boy.
Dude, that milk's expired.
We'll be downstairs, Ben.
You good, man? Dude, you just see this smile? I think some already.
Dude, he is not good, brother. He's just swallowing it. Here, I'm gonna go. No, stay right here. I'm gonna go spy on him. Go. Okay, this is the joke, guys. Leave a like on that video because that was sriracha sauce, and he does not like spicy stuff. So please leave a like on the video, and let's make this his most liked video of like. Can we do 30 likes? So as you saw, I just drank a bunch of hot sauce, dude. Now, for the 100 subscribers special, we switched it up. No hot Cheetos. We're going to be doing all of them drinking hot sauce. I got these three.
Oh,
okay. And now I'm filling them up. Let's do Will first. You're gonna eat it at once, guys.
Okay, I think that might be good.
Nope, Riker gave me a bunch.
Okay,
now it's Riker's. Riker, since you gave it to me, I'm gonna give you this one.
Okay, that's good.
Oh my gosh. Ben! Sorry. Get over there. Three. I'll let you guys go first. No, trust.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Well, wait, one at a time. 3, 2, 1, go. It's freaking hurts, dude. It hurts. It hurts.
Oh, he just swallowed.
It starts acting up. It starts hurting.
Reggie.
No, I'm going last.
No, I ain't that bad.
No, it's bad. For me, I don't drink hot sauce or anything. Okay, Riker, you go.
You want me to go?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. It starts acting up.
Jeez.
I know. Wow! I'm alive. Okay, ready, Reggie? Good time to shine. He just drank it. Okay, guys.
Okay, I need some milk. It's not that bad.
No, I wouldn't drink milk for you if you.
Oh, that's better.
No, but after you don't drink for a while, it's getting stinging again. You have to drink it out the whole times.
Well, it's not even bad.
Jeez, freaking dry.
I'm done.
This is good.
Peace.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's just eat hot Cheetos now. Because I have hot Cheetos in there. Now we have to eat hot Cheetos for the 100 subscriber.
So we each get 25.
Huh?
Oh my gosh. You each get 25.
What?
Because
25 hot Cheetos?
Yeah, because there's 100, right?
Pretty much. This is where the secret stash of hot Cheetos is. Now we gotta eat 25 of them for your 100 subscriber special. I'm gonna start. You guys could get at it, but I'm gonna start and get it over with. That's 2. What?
Hey, a third of a piece fell off.
That's 4. Come on, I'm just, I'll close my eyes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. $26.
15.
I'll do 45 for you guys. I'm at 26.
16,
Wait, no. 40.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Last 3.
2, 3,
I did it.
4.
And 40. Wait. I'm gonna do 50. It's my channel.
You're a little faggot, you know?
I need 4 more. 4 more right here.
I need
When?
48.
No, you started way before us. Yeah, we're not doing a competition. Oh. Should have done the wills and just count them. Oh, dude, my mouth is burning. I had 50, so 51. Gosh dang it, Riker. Oh, got him. I'm at like 60.
Me too.
I'm at 61, I bet.
Alright, this is 50, and then I'm going.
I'm gonna have a couple more.
70.
Alright. 66, I'm done. 70. Whoa! I'm sweating. 71. 71? No, that's a big one.